Namaste everyone. So as you know, today is yoga day. So we practice yoga today. We are going to do a standing yogasanas so that it will be comfortable for you all. Let's start with it. Let's do stretching for our body. Hand stretching, leg stretching. And please find a good place yourself so that you can do all the yogasanas. Stretch your legs, your hands. Okay, let's begin with it. So, first of all, we'll do all the stretching yogasanas and then balancing yogasanas. Okay, so we are going to start with the Tadasana. Okay, for that, we are going to join our both the legs, our hands up, and stretch your body up. Lift your legs, lift your heels, be in this position. Do normal breathing and breathe out. Please be there as much as you can. Then slowly come down. We'll do it one more time. Relax your body. Okay, let's get into position. Join your legs. Hands up. Hold it and stretch it up. Lift your heels. Stretch your body. Be there and relax. This is called Tadasana. Now we practice Hasta Uttanasana. I'm changing my position, but you can see me. Okay. So touch your legs, hands in the front. Breathe in and take your hands up. Breathe out and lean behind and hold this position as much as you can. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out and hands down. We'll do this exercise one more time. So whenever we are breathing in, we are taking our hands up. When we are breathing out, we'll take it back side. And when we go back side, we will hold our breath. We will not do breathe in and breathe out exercise. One more time. Let's do it. Join your both the legs, both the hands in the front. Breathe in and take your hands up. Breathe out and hands behind. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out and hands down. Relax. Now we are going to practice Hasta Padasana. It means our hands to our legs. Hasta means hand, Pad means your leg. Okay? Now breathe in and go up. Breathe out and touch your hands to your legs. Hold this position. Hold your breath. Be there as much as you can. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out and hands down. One more time we'll do this exercise. Relax your body. Okay, let's do it one more time. Join your legs. Hands in the front. Breathe in and take your hands up. Breathe out and touch your legs. Hold this position. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out and hands down. Relax your body. Okay. Now we are going to do a Trikonasana, triangle pose. Okay. For that we will wide open our both the legs. Okay. We will breathe in and we will twist our body this way. We'll try to touch this hand to our leg. Okay. This is my left hand. We are going to touch the left hand to our left leg. Okay. Now breathe in and hands sideways. Breathe out and turn your body. Hold your breath. This is called Trikonasana. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out and relax. So whenever you are doing this exercise, your legs and your hands and your full body should be straight. It should be straight. It shouldn't be bent like this and do like this. Okay? It should be straight like this, and this way we have to do. Okay? Our legs should be straight like this, no bending like this. Okay? One more time we do this exercise. Spread out both the legs. Breathe in and take your hands sideways. Breathe out. Now this time go towards your right side. Hold this position. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time we do this exercise for left side and for the right side. We are going to repeat all the exercise 2 times. Relax your body. Okay. Get ready. Spread your legs. Breathe in and spread your hands. Breathe out. Turn towards your left side. Hold this position. Feel the stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your body. One more time we do this exercise for our right side. Okay, ready? Spread your legs. Breathe in, take your hands apart. Breathe out and turn your body. Hold this position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Now we'll do Uchit Trikonasana. Okay. This is the same like a triangle position, but our one hand will be extended. Okay, we'll do this exercise only one time. Okay, spread your legs again. Okay, now listen to me. Whenever we are turning our body, we'll turn our right hand towards our left hand and fully stretch our body. Okay, breathe in, hands apart. Breathe out, turn towards your left side. Hold this position. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, hands down. Hold this position, everyone. Okay. Now for our right side, breathe in, hands apart. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform warrior pose. Warrior pose 1, warrior pose 2, warrior pose 3. Get ready for that. Okay. Now warrior pose 1. For that we spread our legs. We turn our body towards your left side. Okay. We'll fold our front leg. That means our left leg. And we'll breathe in and we'll take our hands up. Okay, get ready. Spread your legs towards your left side. Bend your left leg in the front. Now breathe in. Hold this position. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax. Now for our right side. Okay. Spread your legs. Okay. Turn your body towards your right side. Hold your right leg. Hands apart. Your legs should be straight. Back leg should be straight. Hands apart. Breathe in and take your hands up. And hold this position. Hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Relax. Relax your body. Okay. Again, for our left side, spread your legs, turn your body towards your left side. Hold your left leg. Breathe in and take your hands up. Hold this position. Hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Relax. Okay. Now for your right side. Spread your legs, turn your body towards your right side. Okay. Hold your right leg in the front, back leg straight, hands apart, breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, this was the warrior pose 1. Now we'll do warrior pose 2. Okay, the warrior pose 2, the position of our body will be the same, but we'll be looking in the front. Okay, so spread your legs. Okay, first we'll do to our left side. Hold your left leg. Okay, breathe in and hands aside. Hold this position. Hold your breath. Breathe out, hands down. Relax your body. Now we'll do it for right side. Okay, spread your legs. Hold your right leg. Breathe in. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Relax. Okay, one more time we'll do this exercise. Spread your legs. Put your left leg. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax your body. Okay. Over left, right side. Hold your right leg. Breathe in. Hold this position. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax. Relax your body. Okay. Now we are going to do warrior pose 3. Okay. For that I am changing my position. Okay. So we'll breathe in. Breathe out, turn your body in the front, stand on your left leg and lift your right leg behind and take your hands in the front. Hold this position as much as you can. Breathe out and relax. Okay, your both the legs should be straight. One more time for our right leg. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Hold this position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your body. One more time we'll do this exercise. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sorry. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time we'll do this exercise for right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your body. This was the warrior pose 3. Okay, now we are going to perform Kati Chakrasana. Okay, Kati Chakrasana, it means we are going to twist our body. Okay, so right hand will be behind, left hand on the waist. Okay, and twist your body. Come back to normal position. Relax. We'll do it for right side now. Twist your body. Relax. When we are twisting, don't bend in front. Okay? Try to maintain your posture. It should be straight. One more time. Towards your left side now. Twist. Hold. Relax. Your right side now. Twist. Hold. Relax. Okay. Now we are going to perform balancing exercise. Okay. So first exercise we are going to perform is Vrukshasana. For that we are going to bend our right leg towards the left leg. Okay. Bend it. Hold it. Okay. Hands apart. Breathe in and take your hands up. Hold this position. If we look at one point, we will be able to do this. If you will look here and there, you may fall. Hold this position. Breathe out and relax. Okay. Now do it for our right leg. Hold your left leg towards your right leg. Hold this. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax. One more time we'll do this exercise. Okay. Hold your right leg now. Hold this position. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Relax. Okay. Now fold your left leg. Breathe in. Hold this position. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, now we are going to do a tabletop pose. Okay, so we are going to bend in this position. Okay, it should be looking like this. It should look like a T. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out. Try to make your body straight. Hold this position. Feel the stretch. Relax. Okay, so there is no left and right side. Okay, so we'll do it 2 times only. Okay, I'm just turning my body this side now, but the exercise is same. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Hold this position. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Okay, now we are going to do dancing pose. Okay, so for that we'll hold our one leg. It means first we will do for our left leg, we'll hold our right leg with our right hand, and we'll breathe in, we'll breathe out and stretch our left hand in the front and right leg and hand behind. Okay, ready? Hold your leg, breathe in, one hand up, breathe out. Hold this position. This is called dancing pose. Relax. We'll do it for our right leg now. Hold your left leg. Hold it with your left hand. Right hand up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold this position as much as you can. Breathe in, relax. One more time we'll do this. Hold your right leg. Left hand up. Breathe in, breathe out. Give it a full stretch. Breathe in, relax. We'll do it for our right side now. Hold your left leg with your left hand, right hand up, breathe in, breathe out. Hold this position as much as you can. Breathe in and relax. Okay, now we are going to perform eagle pose. Okay, so we'll wrap our one leg with our another leg. We'll fold it and our hands and hold this position. Normal breathing and breathe out exercise. Relax. Now for our another leg. Wrap it around other leg. Try to maintain a balance. Now your hands. Bend it and hold it. Do normal breathing, breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Okay, now we are going to do a flamingo pose. Okay, so for that we are going to grab our right leg now and we are going to bend in the front. Hold this position, normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. Relax. Now for our right side, hold your left leg, grab it, hug it, bend down, normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. Relax. I hope you like this session. Okay, if you are having any queries, let's do it in chat box. Thank you.